Hey, Chad, over at Balsam Lake Lodge. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I know you've been talking to Jen a little bit and was looking for some more information on how you guys can market yourself better. So, a few things I'm going to do is go over kind of what I see, kind of where we can improve, kind of some things we should start doing more or less, and some things that you guys are already doing very well at. Excuse me. So, first things first, we have your guys' website here. Simple, clean, awesome website. I think it was designed wonderfully. I don't have a lot to say against your guys' website. I think it's built very well. The one thing I'm not seeing, though, is how do I defer you from any other lodging experience near Balsam Lake or in Wisconsin in general, right? People from all across the upper Midwest are probably looking for you. I know probably locally some people know you. Heck, I'm even in Richmond and I've never even heard of you before. So the one thing that we really want to figure out is how do you stand out from other people? I see you guys have some events. That's awesome. Probably marketing that a little bit more. We try to target that on your guys' page. Not only that, but what do you guys offer? Do you guys have canoe rental? Do you guys have boat rental? Do you do jet skis? Do you do fishing expos? You know, all those, the kind of things that you guys offer other than just your lodge. You don't want to be marketing your lodge necessarily. You want to be marketing the experience. People are going to go to you because it's an experience, regardless of your price range, right? Some people who might be able to afford your guys' $800 a night, two-night minimum room, you know, they're going to want to make sure that they have everything that they could possibly want for a lodging experience included with that, not just $800 a night for a room. You know, it seems a little ludicrous, right? I wouldn't pay $800 a night to go stay anywhere if it didn't have anything to offer me except some good food. I would go elsewhere. So definitely something we want to consider is marketing kind of what you guys do and what you guys offer more or less as well. Because you guys have a beautiful facility. There's no doubt about that. Anybody with common sense would say that this is a beautiful place to stay at. So I would definitely recommend doing that more or less. But other than the website and kind of more some analytics side of things, we really want to figure out how we can digitally market you better, right? We got SEO, search engine optimization. That's going to be a huge one for you. And one way I can do that is actually taking your guys' URL here, and I can copy and paste it over into a tool I like to use. It's called Ahrefs. Ahrefs kind of gives me a guideline of what you guys have for backlinks, referring domains holding those backlinks, as well as the keywords you guys are using in your website. So we can see right here you have 42 backlinks, 22 referring domains that are holding all of those backlinks. You guys already have 269 organic keywords. I've looked through these keywords. You guys have a bunch of really, really good keywords that have a lot of high search volume, right? And that's really what you're looking for on a website that in order to get more traffic, you have to have the keywords. I mean, right here, we got 1,400, 1,000, and 1,000, right? So these are all great keywords to have. But the one downfall is that you guys aren't ranking very well. So Balsam Resorts, you're ranked position number 9 online right now. We got the first page is all really good. It's all very name based. Something like Balsam Lake Lodging, you guys are only in 7th position for that, unfortunately. Paradise Island, you're 11th position for that. But like I said, you have a bunch of really good keywords, but you're just not ranking for some of them. You know, people that know you locally are going to search Balsam Lake Lodges, but we're not targeting that area of people because they already know where you are, right? You want to think about what is John from Anoka, Minnesota, how is he going to find you? He's going to be looking for resorts in Wisconsin, something like that, right? So let's find something similar. Balsam Lake cabins, right? They know about Balsam Lake. They're looking for cabins. You guys are only 21st position for that. Lodge, yeah, the Lodge, Wisconsin. You guys are 27th position for that. We want to find these more generalized words that anybody would be searching for, and we want to start ranking those better. So you guys already have all the really good keywords. You're just not ranking for them. So how we do that is we actually go in and we go get more backlinks and we target those keywords. So that way those keywords start to rank better for you and you can grab more attention for customers. So that's the SEO side of things. We also want to go and figure out what your top competition in your area is. I couldn't really find one other than hotels. We want to figure out how do you guys stick out more than a hotel that's charging me $79 to $100 a night versus the $800. You know, we want to figure out how you're really going to stand out on that aspect of it. Not only that, but pretty easy to find. The booking room, I saw that. That's all good. Like I said, your website works great. But one thing I also did look at too is your guys' Facebook page. And you guys are doing phenomenal with this, right? You guys are posting all the time. You got beautiful pictures of your food. Some of the rooms that you guys must have recently updated because they look beautiful. You're hiring. But yet again, you're not showing the experience. Sure, food is part of the experience. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm not going to go there just for food. I can go out to dinner to just get food. Right? We want to figure out what you guys are offering. Are you offering that? Paddle boards or whatever it may be, right? You really want to do the experience. Right here. Yeah, see right here. Rentals available. Great. You want to have that more on your website. You got live music. Awesome. You guys are doing really phenomenal on your Facebook page. One thing I do see you're lacking, though, is reviews. You guys have 5 reviews on your Facebook page. I don't know if you're on TikTok. I don't know if you're on Instagram. Definitely get on those. Instagram would be wonderful for this just because you guys have such a beautiful location. Would highly recommend that as well. But in regards to reviews, one thing we look up to is these keywords that we were talking about, right? And we don't find you guys on these generalized reviews mention that. But so what we're going to do is we're actually going to figure out right here how you guys stand out. Balsam Lake Lodge, right there. Balsam Lake Lodge. So we want to figure out how you guys stand out with reviews and on a Google's aspect of it, right? Everybody, shouldn't say everybody, I think it's like 72% of users use Google, right? So we want to make sure that we're optimized on Google very well. You guys have 349 reviews. That's awesome. Let's see if some of the posts you guys have. Questions? No. Where is it? I'm going to click on your photos. Maybe that helps. I can't find it right now for your post. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so it would be over here. But yeah, definitely having all these photos. Again, the experience. It's really what you're trying to sell. You're trying to sell the experience, not the stay itself. People will pay for an experience. They don't want to pay to stay somewhere. We all have a house, right? I know I kind of went all over with that. I really hope this kind of helps dial it down. I'd love to sit down and go over a little bit more with you, more specifically, kind of where we can go from here. If it's something you guys do decide to move forward with us and see what we can offer you, be happy to sit down and talk with Jen and myself. With that being said, Chad, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment or leave Jen a comment or a question, and we'd be happy to get back to you and answer. With that being said, Chad, thanks, man. Have a great day.